Hello friends, welcome to our RV YouTube channel. In today's session 13 of electric drives and control, we are going to see or we are going to solve some problems on single phase control rectifier fed DC drives. Okay, so to watch the previous video sessions, the link is given in the description box. So now let us move on to the today's class. So the first problem is a 220 volt 1000 rpm 60 amps separately excited DC motor drive has an armature resistance of 0.1 ohms. It is fed from a single phase fully controlled rectifier and whose AC input source voltage is of 230 volt with 50 Hz. The conduction is assumed to be continuous conduction, for which we have to find the firing angle at the rated motor torque at 600 rpm. And second one is we have to find the motor speed for half the rated torque and the firing angle alpha is equal to 150 degree. So let us try to solve this. Solution. So first let us write the given data. Here armature voltage is given as 220 volt and the speed is given as 1000 rpm and the armature current is given as 60 amps and the type of the DC motor is separately excited DC motor drive which has an armature resistance of 0.1 ohms, right? The type of the rectifier used is single phase fully controlled rectifier, right? Single phase fully controlled rectifier. This rectifier is fed with an AC source voltage Vs of 230 volts and whose frequency is 50 Hz. Conduction is continuous conduction. Conduction is continuous conduction. Okay. So here we are asked to find, in first subdivision we are asked to find the firing angle alpha when the torque is rated motor torque. Okay, under the conditions called rated motor torque and speed as 600 rpm. And second which we have to find is motor speed. The condition is half the rated torque. Okay, half of the rated torque and the firing angle alpha is equal to 150 degrees. So first let us try to find out the value of the motor constant K under rated condition. Okay, under rated condition let us try to find out the value of K. We know that the motor equation VA is equal to E plus IA RA. Okay, and where E is given as K into omega m and our omega m is given as 2 pi n by 60, right? Motor equation is VA is equal to E plus IA RA and E is given as K into omega m and omega m is nothing but 2 pi n by 60. So what happens is here VA is equal to, instead of E we have to substitute K omega m plus IA RA and instead of K into omega m, instead of omega m we have to substitute 2 pi n by 60 plus IA RA. So our armature voltage, the rated armature voltage is given as, see here 220 volts, here in the given data the armature voltage is given as 220 volts which is equal to K, which we have to find 2 pi, the rated speed is given as 1000 in our given data, divided by 60 plus IA, the rated current is given as 60 amps which you can see in our given data and armature resistance is 0.1. So if we solve this we will get the value of K 2.04 volts second per radians, or otherwise it can also be represented by the unit called Newton meter per ampere. Okay, so the value of the K is 2.04. So with this K let us try to find out our firing angle alpha and the speed. So now let us try to solve the first subdivision. Okay, first subdivision is we have to find the firing angle alpha under the condition rated motor torque and the speed is given as 600 rpm. Okay, so for these conditions we have to find the firing angle alpha. So we know that motor equation VA is equal to E plus IA RA. Okay, let this be equation 1. And here the type of the controlled rectifier used is single phase fully controlled rectifier. So for a single phase fully controlled rectifier, the VA is given as 2 Vm by pi cos alpha. So let this be equation 2. Okay, and we also know that E is equal to K into omega m. Let this be equation 3. And also we know that omega m is equal to 2 pi n by 60. So now substitute 4 in 3, we will get E is equal to K into, instead of omega m we have to substitute 2 pi n by 60. So let this be equation 5. So now we have to substitute equation 2 5. Okay, E is equal to this one, here E is equal to this equation 5 and VA is equal to equation 2 in 1. So what will we get? 2 Vm by pi cos alpha, which is equal to, instead of E we have got equation 5, which is nothing but K into 2 pi n by 60 plus IA RA. Okay, now here again Vm is equal to root 2 into Vs. Okay, Vm is equal to root 2 into Vs. Therefore what happens is this equation becomes 2 root 2 Vs by pi cos alpha, which is equal to K into 2 pi n by 60 plus IA RA. Okay, now let us substitute the data which is given. So look at the data here. So let me continue on the right hand side. Okay, let me continue on the right hand side. 2 root 2 Vs is given as 230 divided by pi cos alpha, the firing angle alpha which we have to find, and we have found the value of K as 2.04 into 2 pi n is given as here 600 rpm. See here in the condition 1, the n is given as 600 rpm divided by 60 plus current is here rated motor torque. So you can take the rated armature current 60 amps into RA is 0.1 ohms, which we can find from our given data. Okay, so if you solve this, you will get 207.07 cos alpha, which is equal to 134.17. Therefore cos alpha is equal to 0.64. Therefore alpha is equal to cos inverse of 0.64, which gives you the firing angle alpha as 49.5 degrees. Okay, so this is our answer for the first problem. The firing angle alpha is equal to 49.5 degrees. So now let us solve for the second one. So what we have to find in our second one, we have to find the speed, right? The motor speed n. Okay, the conditions are your rated torque is half the rated motor torque, and firing angle alpha is equal to 150 degrees. Okay, so under this condition we have to find out the value of the speed. So from above expression, right, see, let this expression be the number 6. So let me take the same expression. So 6 is nothing but, let me write again the 6 here, 2 root 2 Vs by pi cos alpha, which is equal to k into 2 pi n by 60 plus Ia Ra. Okay, here our rated torque is, the torque value for this is half the rated torque, right? So that means 1 by 2 rated torque. The condition is given as, for this problem, the condition is given as half the rated torque. See here, in the condition 2, the torque value is half the rated torque. That means torque is equal to half the rated torque. We know that in a DC motor, torque is proportional to Ia. So if the torque is, therefore what happens is, from this Ia is equal to half the rated current. Okay, so based on the value of the torque, the armature current also changes. Okay, so now let us, this equation is our 6, right, which we obtained from the above expression, and this is our 7. So now what happens is, substitute 7 in 6. What happens is 2 root 2 Vs by pi cos alpha, which is equal to k into 2 pi n by 60 plus half of the rated torque. I mean, instead of Ia we have to substitute what, 1 by 2 Ia into Ra. Okay, now let us substitute the data. 2 root 2 Vs is given as 230 by pi cos, firing angle they have given us, see here in the condition 2, see here alpha is equal to 150 degrees, right? So let us substitute that 150, which is equal to k, we have already found as 2.04 into 2 pi here we have to find the value of the speed n divided by 60 plus 1 by 2, our armature current Ia value is 60 into armature resistance is 0.1. So if we solve this, we will get minus 179.32, which is equal to 3 plus 0.21 n. Okay, so if you solve this, we will get n is equal to minus 851 rpm. Okay, so this is what we have to find. So we found the both firing angle alpha here. See, I'm in the problem here, I'm taking in the problem. So we have found the firing angle alpha and we have found the motor speed. So this is how we have to solve the problem for a single phase fully controlled rectifier. Now let us move on to the next problem. So this is our next problem, which is on a single phase semi converter. So let me read the problem. At 220 volt, 1500 rpm, 10 amps, separately excited DC motor has an armature resistance of 1 ohms, which is fed from a single phase semi converter with an AC source voltage of 230 volt, 50 hertz. Conduction is continuous conduction. We have to find the motor speed, where the torque is of 5 Newton meters and firing angle is 30 degrees. Here the second one is, we have to find the torque where the speed is 1000 rpm and the firing angle alpha is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, so now let us solve. So as usual, first let us write the given data. So armature voltage is given as 220 volts, speed n is given as 1500 rpm, and armature current is given as 10 amps. The type of the motor is separately excited DC motor whose armature resistance is 1 ohms, which is fed from a single phase semi converter here. Okay, single phase semi converter whose AC source voltage is of 230 volts, whose frequency is 50 Hz, and the type of the conduction is continuous conduction. Okay, type of the conduction is continuous conduction. Here we have to find the first subdivision is motor speed. Okay, under the condition the torque of 5 Newton meter and the firing angle alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Second one, we have to find the torque under the condition speed n is equal to 1000 rpm and firing angle alpha is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, so let us try to solve this problem. So as usual, as we did in our previous problem, under rated condition, let us try to find out the value of the constant, motor constant K. Okay, so VA is equal to E plus IARA. VA is equal to, where E can be written as K into omega m plus IARA, and again omega m here. E is equal to K into omega m, and omega m is nothing but 2 pi n by 60. Therefore VA is equal to K into 2 pi n by 60 plus IARA. So here VA is given as, in our problem, in given data, VA is given as 220 and the constant K 2 pi, the speed is given as 1500 rpm divided by 60 plus our armature current is 10 amps and our armature resistance is 1 ohms. So if we solve this, we will get constant K is equal to 1.337 volts second per radians or Newton meters per ampere. Okay, so now let us try to find out the first one, in which we have to find our speed. Okay, the motor speed n for the conditions torque is equal to 5 Newton meter and firing angle alpha is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so here a motor equation is given as VA is equal to E plus IA RA. Okay, so here for a single phase semi converter, VA is given as Vm by pi into 1 plus cos alpha, because in this problem the type of the rectifier used is single phase semi converter. Okay, and here again Vm is equal to root 2 into Vs. Okay, and our E is nothing but K into omega m, and omega m is equal to 2 pi n by 60. Okay, omega m is equal to 2 pi n by 60, and Ia is equal to T by K. Okay, Ia is equal to T by K. Okay, for a DC motor, Ia is equal to T by K. So now let us substitute all these equations in this. So instead of VA, we have to substitute Vm by pi into 1 plus cos alpha, which is equal to, instead of E we can substitute K into omega m, plus instead of Ia we can substitute T by K into RA. So again here instead of Vm we can substitute root 2 Vs by pi into 1 plus cos alpha, which is equal to K. Instead of omega m we can substitute 2 pi n by 60 plus T by K RA. Okay, so root 2 Vs is given as 230 by pi into 1 plus cos, the firing angle here mentioned as for this case the firing angle is 30 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees, and the value of the K which we have found here is 1.337 into 2 pi. We have to find the speed n by 60 plus here torque is given as 5 by K is 1.337, and the value of the armature resistance is given as 1. Okay, so if we solve this, we will get 193.198, which is equal to 0.139 n plus 3.74. So if you solve this, we will get the speed n is equal to 1363 rpm. Okay, 1363 rpm. So this is what we have to find. So the speed value is 1363 rpm under the firing angle alpha is equal to 30 degrees and the torque is equal to 5 Newton meters. So now let us solve the second problem. So in second problem, they are asked us to calculate the torque under the condition of firing angle alpha is equal to 45 degrees and the torque is and the speed, right, speed is 1000 rpm. Okay, so in our second subdivision, we have to find the value of the torque for the firing angle alpha is equal to 45 degrees and the speed n is equal to 1000 rpm. Okay, so now let us take this equation and let this equation be like 7. Okay, because in our previous problem we had up to equation 6, 7 also we had, right? So here we can have it as 8. Sorry. So here we can have it as equation 8. So our equation 8 we can have here. Equation 8 is root 2 Vs by pi into 1 plus cos alpha, which is equal to K into 2 pi n by 60 plus T by K into Ra. Okay, so now let us substitute the data here and we will try to find out the value of the torque. Root 2, the supply voltage is Vs given as 230 by pi into 1 plus cos, firing angle is given as 45 degrees, which is equal to, we have find the value of the constant, motor constant K as 1.33, right? 1.33 into 2 pi, the speed they have mentioned as 1000 rpm for the second condition, divided by 60 plus the torque we have to find divided by K we have found as 1.33 into armature resistance is mentioned as 1. So if we solve this, we will get 176.73, which is equal to 139.27 plus T by 1.33. So if we solve this, we will get torque T is equal to 49.82 Newton meter. So this is our torque. So we have found the value of the speed and we have found the value of the torque for the different conditions which they have mentioned. So that is all about today's session. Thank you.